Hey, I'm Josh Foster, Director of Sales and Product Development at RoadWorks Manufacturing, coming to you from the 50th MATS. This is the 50th year of MATS, and we're here in full force. I want to show you guys some of our grill options that we have at RoadWorks. Punched grills are the most popular, and we're steadily adding new products all the time. Two of the new punch patterns for grills that we brought out this year, you see behind me, are the Triad pattern and the Skulls. These are both going to be really popular, cool pieces to add. So we can also punch these patterns into your breather intakes, hub covers, or anywhere else that you might want a punched pattern. We also have our new triple diamond louver grill, combining punched grills and louver grills. So you get that old school look with the new school feel. Make sure you check those out. As you know, RoadWorks is your home for every grill option with the most fitments for the most trucks and the most stylish options available. For more information about our full line of grills and our total truck fitment, visit roadworksmfg.com or see your local dealer today. Also, you can find us on almost every social media platform.